everybody, back again. Look at this cute little neon. This is the Kelp crewmate. We're gonna make a mega Kelp crewmate in this video, a diamond unicorn mega, and a mega lovebird. So this is a fun video. I don't think I've ever seen a diamond unicorn mega, but I've been getting these and growing them as I get them, and next thing you know, neon after neon after neon. Back up. Now I just gotta wait for 4 more so I can get a neon also. Woohoo! Look at you, cutie patootie. Come on. Oh, there you are. I like the way these guys act when you pick them up. It cracks me up. Alright, what's next? Diamond unicorn. Here we go. Here we go. Diamond U. Bam! Equip main. Diamond unicorn. Diamond unicorn. Let's see if I'm going to be severely disappointed. What? Drum roll, please. Can we have a drum roll? Oh, his mane changes color. Would you look at that? Well, would you look at that? Yeah, boy. That's definitely a photo op. Alright, so next we're going to make the lovebird. Let me get rid of these guys. Damn. Unequip. Unequip. Nope. No thank you. Lovebird. Yep. Alright, buddy. You and me. You're a pretty cute little neon. I like your colors. They're very vivid. So I'm excited to see. I like that you can still see them pretty well. I don't know if anybody else can see when someone else is doing a pet. It'd be nice to be able to see what they're making before it's made, because as somebody who's just watching, you can't see it, all this fanfare going on right now. How pretty. There it is. Mega lovebird. Fancy. Alright, we'll see you in another video.